Hi viewers, this is Ken's Official, and if today is the first time you are watching this channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Have you ever wondered how you can use command prompt to format a disk? If no, then stay tuned and let me show you how you can do this. This is the drive that we are going to use command prompt to format it. These are the files we have in this particular drive. Now, head straight to your search bar and then type in CMD. So, at this point, we are going to type in disk paths. Type in list disk. These are the number of disks I have on my machine. Select the disks you want to format. So, I am going to select disk 2. Now, you can see that disk 2 has been selected. Type in clean and then press enter. Disk path succeeded in cleaning the disk. Let's go back and check the disks we formatted right now. Open your disk management. Now, we can see that it actually worked. Right click on the disk to create a new simple volume and then follow the instructions. The new simple volume 2 has been created successfully. Let's go back and check it out from our file explorer. Now, we can see that it actually worked. Thanks for spending your time with me today. This is Ken's Official, and if today is the first time you are watching this channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.